I chose dental at Cascadia Tech because it's a course that will help me prepare for my future in dentistry. I want to be a dental hygienist.
I wanted to get a head start into the dental program to be able to go into the field right after high school.
Here at Cascadia, I can pursue my passions in dentistry and get hands-on learning without having paid schooling at a college or do internships. The dental program at Cascadia Tech is an amazing place to get outreach into dental practices, to meet dentists, and just understand your own passion for it.
I will be able to get my RDA before I graduate, so my registered dental assisting license. And I don't have to pay for the additional schooling that I'll have to go for afterwards. We have patients come in from the community that need dental work done. We do exams, x-rays to help with providing dental care for other people.
You really should just go for it. You might never get this chance again to get such high quality information.